Hey everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan. And in last night's live video I did, which was a lot of fun, I wanted all of you to have a watch about the DIFC. This is Dubai's International Financial Center, where Ripple has decided to locate its regional office for the MESA region. MESA is the Middle East, Africa, and Southern Asian region. It's very large, and this is one of Dubai's independent free zones. It has zero taxes on income and profits, and those income and profits are also allowed to be easily repatriated. And if you're wondering why Ripple must move should the regulation not advance, well, in the US, they owe it to all their investors to be able to execute the entire suite of offerings. And this is really spelled out in this article that the General Counsel Stu Alderati wrote in August. It's very clear. He spells it out. And if you still seem a little foggy, well, go back to and refer or reread the open letter to Congress by Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. In a nutshell, without regulatory clarity, we risk, meaning the country, risk pushing the innovation, like that innovation that comes from Ripple, and of course, tax revenue and jobs that these new technologies create overseas. I am just, of course, maybe I'm one of the minority. I don't believe this is theater. I know a lot of people believe it's theater. But it's okay. We can agree to disagree. But the most important thing about this particular video is to tell you about the DIFC. This is a city within a city. It has a fintech hive. It has hotels, art galleries, over 100 restaurants and cafes. It's in the heart of Dubai. It also has 185 shopping retailers. It's just really quite impressive because it's also playing a significant role in the fintech market. The grounds even have a privately held NASDAQ Dubai exchange. It's all regulated by the Dubai Financial Service Authority, and it has very friendly, independent judicial system and an active framework that has attracted a lot of people. As a matter of fact, you can go on to the public register and you can query the regulated or non-regulated, but just in the regulated and who is active, you're going to see so many banks, a couple thousand companies of names you recognize, like Mitsubishi UFJ, that is the largest bank in Japan. There's Mizuho Bank, there's the Bank of Singapore, Berkshire Hathaway Insurance, Deloitte Corporate Finance Advisory, HSBC, their Middle Eastern bank, the Bank of China, has a Dubai branch registered there, Citibank, Bank of India, Morgan Stanley, Wells Fargo, T. Rowe Price. I mean, just too many to list. And you can browse through the list if you are interested. But the main purpose of this video is to have you watch the expansion that is planned for DIFC. It's going to expand on a needed basis, which I would imagine, well, I'm not sure. I can tell you for sure in September 2018, 98% of the office space was occupied. So that was just months after they opened up these new buildings to be moved into. There's more than 2,500 companies that call this their regional base in this part of the world, because it is, well, there's a lot going on here in Dubai. So they're currently, this city in a city is occupying about 5 million square feet. And the video is going to give you some insight to the approved mega project, which is expected to triple in size. So enjoy this. This is really good.
Established in 2004, with just 19 firms and a workforce of 75 professionals, the center has become the leading financial hub for the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia region. Today, more than 23,000 professionals work across over 2,000 companies in the district, including the leading regional and global players in the financial services industry. The place of choice for entrepreneurs and cutting-edge technologies, an established district, a world-class destination, a vibrant community. And now, introducing the next chapter of DIFC, leading the way towards a new financial landscape. With around 80% of the original DIFC master plan already complete, this new offering will complement the center's existing A-grade corporate office spaces. Building on an internationally recognized ecosystem, complemented by Dubai's infrastructure and connectivity, we have designed a sustainable home for clients of a different nature, encouraging financial innovation and experimentation. A place for co-workers, a place for financial techies, a place for entrepreneurs, a place for researchers, a place for innovators, a place for their families, a place for makers, a place for learners. DIFC 2.0 is a place for all. Take a look at the future of finance. A financial campus spanning approximately 1 million square feet. $13 million square feet of opportunity, comprised of offices, residential, retail, and innovation, supported by a financial campus, hotels, and entertainment offerings. DIFC 2.0 is an extension of the existing DIFC district, with direct connections to Dubai's public transport networks. Embracing a pedestrian lifestyle, set apart from conventional city living. Underground service paths allow for the free movement of bikes, pedestrians, cars, and smart transportation. Open green spaces bring people together to innovate in a natural environment, creating a like-minded community. Smart urban planning creates shaded public spaces, allowing year-round walkability. The financial world is evolving. As the size and nature of financial firms change, we are creating a platform for them to grow, collaborate, and excel. DIFC 2.0 will drive the future of finance and the future of Dubai.
I'm very impressed. So that was the real purpose of this video, is just for you to see that clip on the expansion and where they're going with that project. And if you missed Twitter last night after the live, I watched TV and I caught the 9 News, which is NHK, and it's so interesting that the 8, 9, 10-year-olds that were they were polled in Japan, what they wanted to be and what their number 1 and number 2 job was, is to be a YouTuber, number 1, and to be a pro gamer, number 2. Changing times. Yeah, and that's Chibi up there on the TV. In the wintertime, it's his favorite spot to hang out. All right, everybody. Yes, do take care. And I will see you in another live tonight with, I think, a very interesting topic to bring up and hopefully answer some of your questions. And I am really going to give a shout out to the Patreon members. Much of my content is um, being made for that particular platform, which is a little bit special. And I really just want to thank all those people who are supporting me in that way, because even though these graders in Japan want to be a YouTuber, I'll tell you, there's it's not all what it's made up to believe to be when you talk about your finances. All right, everybody. Yes, do take care. Sayonara for now. Bye-bye.